Okay, there it goes. And thank you so much for joining us this evening. I am your host, Eric, and I'm actually in the Severe Weather Center right now, and we're going to focus in on all of the developments, and you can actually see that we've got a lot of progress going on. But let's talk about the severe thunderstorm watch. We're going to get right to that right now. We have a severe thunderstorm watch that is in effect until 11 o'clock this evening for the following areas, and there's about 17 counties that are in effect, so make sure that you're listening. Actually, it is our metropolitan area, so once again, the severe thunderstorm watch is in effect until 11 p.m. This evening, so I'm going to explain what's going on. So, the severe thunderstorm watch is for the following counties in Southeast Michigan: Bay, Genesee, Huron, Lapeer, Lenawee, Livingston, Macomb, Midland, Monroe, Oakland, Saginaw, Sanilac, Siawassee, St. Clair, Sokola, Washtenaw, and Wayne County. Again, those counties are Bay, Genesee, Huron, Lapeer, Lenawee, Livingston, Macomb, Midland, Monroe, Oakland, Saginaw, Sanilac, Siawassee, St. Clair, Sokola, Washtenaw, and Wayne County. So we've got we have a lot of cities that are going to be affected by this, so I'll do the very best to my ability to tell you the name of the cities that if not, I'll have to spell them to you, so please give me time to figure this out. So with that and the counties, I'm going to go ahead and tell you the cities that will be affected by this. So if you live in those cities, you will be affected by this, and then we're going to move on and upward with the severe thunderstorms and warnings and all of that good stuff. So with that, the cities that will be affected with this severe thunderstorm watch until 11 p.m. tonight, those cities are Adrian, Elmont, Ann Arbor, Badass, Bay City, Brighton, Brown City, Canton, Cargo, Caseville, Cass City, Carswell, Dearborn, Deckerville. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. If you live in the city, it's spelled D-U-R-A-N. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, I'm sorry. That's why I spelled it out. So if you live in that city, you're in the severe thunderstorm watch. Ferndale, Flint, Fowlerville, Harbor Beach, Howell, Emily City, let me see, hold on one second, Louisville, Lapeer, Lexington, Lincoln Park, Livonia, Marlette, Marysville, Mayville, Midland, let me, hold on, I'm trying to figure out what this is. Oh man, I don't know how to pronounce this, so I'll have to spell it out. If you live in the city, it is spelled Millington. If you live in that city, you are under that severe thunderstorm watch. Monroe, Novi. There's another one. It is spelled OWOSSO. Peplin, Pontiac, Port Huron, Redford, Reese, Royal Oak, Saginaw, Sandusky. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, just one moment. There's something over top of my screen, so just a moment. Let me see if I can see it, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to spell it. I'm sorry. There's something. Okay, if you live in the city of, it's Sebewaing. You're in the severe thunderstorm watch. Southfield, St. Clair Shores, Sterling Heights, Tyler, Tyrants, Troy. If you live, I'll have to spell this out. The city, it's VA. VASSAR, Warren, Waterford, and Westland. So that covers all of that. So there's 17 counties that are under this watch, unfortunately. So it's going to be a very, very busy evening, unfortunately. And yeah, it's going to be quite interesting for a lot of us this evening. Alright, so with that said, let's talk about this first. Okay, so radar trends. This is what we are expecting, and then we'll tell you about when the worst of it is yet to come, and then we'll talk about what's on the radar and what we can expect and everything else. But we'll go from there. We'll do one thing at a time. Okay, so isolated storms are developing along a line from Hillsdale to Pontiac this afternoon, so just be aware of that. We're still in the afternoon hours, so just be aware of that. Those storms will track northward across far southeast Michigan over the next 1 to 2 hours, so there'll be that line that's got to come through, and the main hazards through 4 p.m. will be wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour, small hail and brief heavy downpours. Number 2, that's going to be the big concern. The main line of storms with a higher threat of severe weather is still expected to develop late this afternoon and this evening ahead of a cold front. So with that said, we'll have to kind of watch that very closely. So tornadoes cannot be ruled out. We'll kind of keep an eye on things, and I'll let you know about that if we do run into that point and I start to see tornado warnings. I will let you know. But at this time, that the only thing that is on the radar right now are severe thunderstorm warnings. Motion is northeast at 40 miles per hour. So this is the one batch that's got to come in. This is the showers and the thunderstorms, but then after that we've got more storm development that will be expected this afternoon, and that's going to be the worst of it. So kind of stay tuned for that. And the reason for that is we've got a cold front that's got to come through. So until it does, we're going to have a higher threat for severe weather, and that is going to be ahead of the cold front. So the second line of severe weather is going to be concern here. So I'll have more updates through the evening. So stay tuned for that, and we'll let you know. Okay, now let's talk about what's happening here. There's actually a severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect because there is actually a line of thunderstorms that are actually in this section up here. So it would actually be past the Flint area. So just be careful if you're going to be in that location, because there's a warning up there. So be careful. We'll let you know when that expires. And we have Storm Tracker that's on here. And if we do have the threat and we see that there's rotation, it will tell us on the radar. So I will keep you guys up to date on that. So that might be very interesting to see. So stay tuned for that. Severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect for Macomb County, and that would be southern Macomb County. You guys are under a severe thunderstorm warning. There's actually a severe thunderstorm that's developing that's going to be moving through. This is not for all of Macomb County. This is for southern Macomb County. Those that live in southern Macomb County, you have a severe thunderstorm warning. So make sure that you stay away from windows as well. I'm actually going to zoom out and let's see if there's any other activity. Actually, I can do that. Alright, I'm going to zoom out here so we can see if there's anything else coming at us. I just zoom in just so that way you guys know what's going on. Okay, so we have this line of showers, and we have actually this very active pattern of showers and thunderstorms, and we were just talking about this warning. So this severe thunderstorm is actually just north of you, but you guys aren't actually in Saginaw. You guys aren't in the warning, but just be aware that there is actually some very nasty storms right there. And then down here, let me zoom out for a minute so I can figure out what that is and where it's coming from. Just a moment. I'm going to zoom back in. I'm going to be doing two different things here. Okay, and then we've got another severe thunderstorm, a warning, and there's another batch of showers and thunderstorms that have prompted a severe thunderstorm warning. And then we've got some more stuff that's developing over here as well. So things are getting kind of active. We will let you know throughout the evening because we're not quite done with any of this. I'm going to zoom back out for a moment. Over in Bad Axe, there is a severe thunderstorm warning up there. because you have severe thunderstorms that are moving through. So make sure that you guys stay away from windows until the storms have passed. Other than that, I'll be keeping an eye on things. So I will be with you for most of the evening, and it will be until all the storms are finally out of here and things start dissipating. That won't be for several hours to go. So there'll probably be several live streams tonight where I do it in different parts, and this is only the first part of it. So I'm going to see if there's anything else that we need to worry about. Power outages are also going to be a concern as well, so I will keep you opposed of that happening. So that is going to be another concern, so I'll kind of keep you posted on that and let you know if that's going to be a problem or an issue. I will let you know. I'm trying to get to a part where it's not going to. I'm trying to fix our map here. Just a moment. I'm going to try something. Okay, there we go. I was trying to find a way to zoom back in. Okay, there we go. Let's see. I don't think I need any of this stuff that's over here. Let me get this out of here. Just a moment.